yani New Hope Preparatory School for say ye dwumadi na and nti se nya obegye di se New Hope nkwala wa ha yi wo de school anthem ne na ebe hyase wo de wo school anthem no e na ebe hyase ye ntie wo mo.
We are the children of NHP. 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 We are the children of NHP. Oh, NHP. Clap your hands for the director, headmistress, our teachers. We are the children of NHP. Oh, NHP.
New Hope Preparatory School.
Boosting creativity and unlocking talent.
New Hope Preparatory School.
Boosting creativity and unlocking talent.
New Hope Preparatory School.
Boosting creativity and unlocking talent.
Oh, Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
That's right. It's a more energy, yeah. School for no, the Ababe PA studio, Muhanum say, Yasab Ketua. Eti call a friend to tell another friend. I for no, a school run, no, my teacher for. And I'm already now, this program is for you. When I send you down, ya no. You're very kind, and school ni ra, Edin Como. Enti no, Papa, Mema Wakwaba.
Yɛn Mma me.
Bibi aboko dear.
Yami adom boko.
Me pacho you. Pacho di agasa de say.
Me de Amweni Frank.
Okay. Opposition wo. New Hope.
Me na me director.
Director.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Is that the director? Me tiasia. Uni overall boss. And yes, sir.
Yes, pacho.
Okay. Opening kwanchira for our shama bibi akoko yiye.
Tutu ye.
That's right. Me pacho New Hope Preparatory School. Didn't feel saying.
New Hope Preparatory School yet 2016.
Okay.
And you were 2025. That's 9 years.
Oh, nice. I just say my barber to tell Mofra na fine. It is so far Mofra ni bi wo him fine him fa.
Oh, yes, yeah. And she dances. I started what crèche up to stage 2.
Okay.
And you the bank account Sabi there I think you do stage 6.
I feel somebody stage
6.
Yes. Oh, okay. Mako competitions bi na.
Yen she da enko biasa.
Okay. Na school na ni so ade mu yeden.
Senior moto no cry edie no. Akwela bia ewo ani so ade hu. Yes. Ti sabi de na yede atuye ye trim esi ye na so say ye be ye ani say by 10 years to come ne de school no ye kind best school say wo odane ne environment aye so ye be ka ho.
Dan kwa na mo ya mesronko e wo say awofo de omma eba New Hope Preparatory School.
Yeah. Yen sheda ni bibi sonko bia because school who could do school more you because I had a
okay
ya de chere na ya de chere bia ne ade chere yes omo ayewo mo edi enkwale animu a chere o ma de no ya hwese sankofo no benya ntete
okay
ansana omo a chere de
okay
enti yen ade chere no enye ade chere bia keke yes tete ye mu epipa
okay New Hope chere kwa wa himfa.
Oh, Abu Wudu Adotea Junction so around the dam, maybe a dam no one.
Okay. So far, more achievements be more achieve BB.
So far, yeah, share that and competition munti and share that ni with yeah. But I remember I say the match pass it me Eddie kind around 3 years ago.
Okay. Enti enana ye ni mu bedi djuma ne den ye hwe ni mu fi mu mofre ho
ene de best na obi a hwehwe no ena mo hwe ni mu yeah best na eba mo ho no
enti ye de djuma de kwa wie ya ye be sai ne wa kasa o
alright
enti eno no sa no ye hu best na wo kana
yeah
ye be kasa o
oh yo ho
o be sa
papa
alright ene me da sin na makom
alright
abusia Yɛn Mma ene Yɛn Daakye dwumadie ena wasugusuwa wutie ye ni New Hope Preparatory School for nkola ena edi yen ejumai ye ni New Hope Preparatory School for nkola ena edi yen jumai ofa ye dru su yi eye poetry mbofra na ebeka poem eti no mbofra no so ma ye ready a ena na yemfa poetry no enhyehyɛ so first person obeba wani mama me na wa manako yenko sister kasa
My name is Akyem, Laklina. I am 3 years old. I am in everyone. The name of my school is New Hope Preparatory School. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, D for E for elephant, F for fish,
That's right.
J for goat, H for house, I for ox, J for dog, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nail, O for orange, P for pop, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for vulture, S for xylophone, Y for yam, Z for zebra.
Wow! Why are dear pa? Why are dear? Do you ho? Next person. Let's go.
My name is Chenke Esedia Konta. I am 4 years old. I am the too. My prayer is fast. Go to the bus. No. Why? Because I'm too good. Because I'm too ready.
Good. Why are dear? Sister, young call, give it to me.
My name is Pendulum Ejewan Ketia. I am 6 years old. I am in class 1. I attend New Hope Preparatory School. My poem is entitled I Look in the Mirror by Helen H. Moore. I look in the mirror and what do I see? A pair of eyes look back at me. A nose, 2 ears, 2 eyes bound to 2 lips and teeth to say I love you. I look in the mirror and what do I see? I look in the mirror and I see me. Thank you.
Welcome. I had dear pa. Next person. Young
My
call.
name is Insua Benewa Edujenfi. I am 10 years old. I am a Christian. The name of my school is New Preparatory School. I am in grade 4. My poem is entitled Ideas. I was born in the dark, hardly more than a spark, and it is true. I don't know where I'm going, but be gentle on me. Do not judge what you see. I am just an idea, but I am growing. I do not yet have a name, neither nurture nor fail, and it is true. I cannot say what I'm showing, but just give me some time, for my rhythm and rhyme will get better the longer. I am flying. I have things still to learn. I might speak out of my turn, and it is true. I cannot prove what I'm knowing, but the rules now is spread. If you just count in me, I might change your whole life and keep growing. Thank you.
Welcome. I had dear pa. Young Cobra.
My name is David Otu. I am 8 years old. I am in Basic 3. The title of my poem is The Moon. Good evening, everyone. Tonight, we are going to take a journey under the stars. We will be exploring about a poem, The Moon, a special moon called the Virgin Moon by John Fuller. The Moon. The Virgin Moon is out tonight, and it shall be our only light as we look for a game to play. But the Virgin Moon has something to say. Being the queen that with the night, she looks so lovely and bright, with a baby family in her arms. In prayer, she closes her palms and watches us as we pray. So next time, remember the Virgin Moon and her gentle message. Good night and sweet dreams. Thank you.
Yo, why are dear Dodo?
My name is Ibrahim Osman. I am 8 years old. I am in class 2. I attend school at New Hope Preparatory School. My poem is entitled Be Kind, Be Kind. Treat others with kindness. For everyone has a story to share. A smile, a word, a helping hand can make a difference in someone's life. Be kind to one, be kind to all. For kindness echoes, standing tall. It brings joy, love, and peace of mind, and make the world better. Fine, thank you.
Welcome.
Within the Theophilus Aid, Medi in Fiedu, because school were near Hope Preparatory School. My wisdom, Medi Brahmin, Asuna Abusia. Asuna ni Mabusia din. Yan Accra Buane Kwakwa Debi, Ana Ane Asunao. Kwakwa Debi Ane Nam Dos, Nansu Yan Renenam. Asuna wo ahofe nanso ye chin se ye behu na ahofe asuna abusia a ewo dom sen abusia biara obi ne asuna nku efiri se oye dom na ofridom mu na no for penny Akyem ebu akwa piesie na na ne me Akyem kwa na na a menum asuo abna bremu atifi me asuna de hye krogen ode hye a me na na kuntunkununku abrewa doka na ya santoa
Wow.
Yen na ye diska tom prada na yen na yen diska a ade akyeso yen na yen ko nsuo engu obi ahinamu hwe asnani a ne ho nya fekra no na tikoti se abusun bi di hye ni se wo chia me a me jeso ya ofuru na afiri se me asnani bidamas
Mo. Asunani pa yankwe.
My name is Charity Yobo. I am 10 years of age. I am in grade 5. I attend school at New Hope Preparatory School. I am here to recite a poem. The title of my poem is Sunshine. Sunshine. The sun shines bright in the morning sky, a beautiful sight as it passes by, with rays of gold and gentle beam. It lights up the world and makes it shine. The flower bloom and the birds sing sweet song. As the sunshine warms their tiny feet, the world awakes and all is new. Thanks to the sunshine, shining bright and true. Thank you.
Why are there? Okay.
My name is Gifty Ofosukwachi. I am 10 years of age. I am in grade 5. I attend school at New Hope Preparatory School. I am here to recite you a poem. My poem is entitled Poem for Change. Poem for change. A better tomorrow begins today. The child has no voice because of her age or has no say because of tradition. The child has no place of our customs. The child remains voiceless because of our ways. Sister, what becomes there tomorrow? Brother, a brighter tomorrow surely begins today. Yet, who represents the world of children? Who is a change maker? He represents the world of children. There are those poisoned to save today for tomorrow. Brethren, I stand for that one who speak for the world of children. Who will not feel the future? Certainly, sure, I am a change maker. I'm agent of a change for a better tomorrow. Thank you.
Why are there, Dodo?
My name is Jessica Jemfa Abrokwa. I am 12 years old. I am in grade 6. I attend school at New Hope Preparatory School. I am here to recite a poem. My poem is entitled Education. Education is very important for everyone. It gives us knowledge and skills. We need to live a better life. Without education, it will be hard to find good job and understand the world around us. I believe that education is the key to a brighter future. First, education helps us to learn new things. In school, we study subjects like science, maths, and history. These subjects teach us how to solve problems and understand the world around us. For example, learning maths helps us with money, and learning history helps us understand the past. Second, education helps us to get a better job. Most companies look for people who have knowledge and skills. With education, we can find work that pays us well and give us a better life. Education helps us to make better decisions. Example, educated people can take care of their health, save money. In conclusion, education is very important for everyone. Thank you.
Why are there, pa? Robiny, body mommy.
My name is Joseph Osukwati.
What class is it?
I'm Basic 5.
Basic 5. Oh, bad. What are you come to do?
Here to recite 10 memory verses.
10 memory verses. At a go.
Yes.
Young Quay.
Matthew chapter 6, verse 11. Give us this day our daily bread. Matthew chapter 7, verse 1. Judge not, that you be not judged. Matthew chapter 7, verse 7. Ask, and it shall be given to you.
Okay.
Seek, and you find. Knock, and it shall be opened to you. Psalm 119, verse 163. I hate and abhor lying, but I love your words. Psalm 50, verse 5. Gather to me my faithful ones, who make a covenant with me by sacrifice. Psalm 47 verse 6. Sing praise to your God, sing praise to your King, sing praise. Psalm 47 verse 7. For God is the King of all the earth, sing praises with understanding. Psalm 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Ephesians 4:32. And be kind to one another, tender-hearted, forgiving one another, even as in Christ forgave you. Amen.
Why are dear? Yɛn Mma.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Stephen Otu. I am here to recite the 54 African countries, their capitals, and the Day of Independence.
What's 54 African countries?
Yes, madam.
54, Eduonumu 9.
Yes.
And they are what?
Capitals and the Day of Independence.
Yes,
madam.
Okay.
Ethiopia, Addis Ababa, 28th May, 1991. Morocco, Rabat, 2nd March, 1956. Libya, Tripoli, 24th December, 1951. Senegal, Dakar, 4th April, 1960. Sierra Leone, Freetown, 27th April, 1961. Togo, Lomé, 27th April, 1960. Mali, Bamako, 22nd September, 1960. Egypt, Cairo, 28th February, 1922. Sudan, Khartoum, 1st January, 1956. Ghana, Accra, 6th March, 1957. Nigeria, Abuja, 1st October, 1960. Benin, Porto Novo, 1st August, 1960. Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou, 5th August, 1960. Guinea-Bissau, 24th May, 1991. Tunisia, Tunis, 20th March, 1956. Algeria, August, 5th July, 1962. Guinea, Conakry, 2nd October, 1958. Liberia, Monrovia, 26th July, 1847. Cote d'Ivoire, Yamoussoukro, 7th August, 1960. Angola, Luanda, 11th November, 1975. Cameroon, Yaoundé, 1st January, 1960. Central African Republic, Bangui, 13th August, 1960. Chad, N'Djamena, 11th August, 1960. Dr. Congo, Kinshasa, 15th August, 1960. Congo, Brazzaville, 30th June, 1960. Comoros, Moroni, 6th July, 1975. Equatorial Guinea, Malabo, 12th October, 1968. Gabon, Libreville, 17th August, 1960. Eritrea, Asmara, 24th May, 1991. Somalia, Mogadishu, 1st July, 1960. Djibouti, 27th June, 1977. Kenya, Nairobi, 12th December, 1963. Tanzania, Dodoma, 9th December, 1961. Uganda, Kampala, 9th October, 1960. Rwanda, Kigali, 1st July, 1962. Burundi, Bujumbura, 1st July, 1962. South Africa, Pretoria, 11th December, 1931. Namibia, Windhoek, 21st March, 1960.
Oh, Ebusia, Yambo Samano. Hey!
Botswana, Gaborone, Yes, madam.
Yanko.
Botswana, Gaborone, 30th September 1966. Lesotho, Maseru, 4th October 1964. Swaziland, Mbabane, 6th September 1968. Zambia, Lusaka, 12th December 1931. Zimbabwe, Harare, 18th April 1980. Mauritius, Port Louis, 12th March 1968. Mozambique, Maputo, 25th June 1975. Seychelles, Victoria, 29th July 1977.
Wow.
Niger, Niamey, 3rd August 1960. Malawi, Lilongwe, 6th July 1964. Madagascar, Antananarivo, 26th June 1960.
Hey, Yambo send you. Now, also then I'll kick Calibre Sano. 54
African countries, their capitals, and the Day of Independence.
First 5 for Kurabe guy. First 5. Who got 54?
Yes, madam.
That's the actual way to bear. 30 maybe I
no 40 going.
It's about Twasso.
Yes.
Twasso.
Sao Tome and Principe. Sao Tome, 12 July 1975. Gambia, Bajau, 18 February 1965. Cape Verde, Praia, 5th July 1975. South Sudan, Juba, 9 July 2011. Mauritania, Nouakchott, 28 November 1960. Thank you.
Hey! Yambo. Bra, body from who's your name?
Stephen Otu.
Yes. And I'll be 54 African countries.
Their capitals and the Day of Independence.
Why are they what? But why can someone some fat? Buffa. Mo. Why are they?
Thank you.
Yo, Mate. I was new Hope Preparatory School from Kola. Hey, when they didn't see that. New Hope nkwa and ebe ma yehu adwiri yen say eno otu 7 of my African countries 54 their capitals and their Independence Day. That's so beautiful. Let me see Yɛn Mma any Yɛn Daakye dwumadie and one wasugusuwa wutie a higher community 103.3 FM. Imofra no gusua wa hanum say abrantia otim ani within the same brabeni.
Emmanuel Ama.
Yes, madam. Okay, obey.
I come to say the first 50 elements.
That's some model bio. Back over 54 African countries. Over first 50 elements.
Yes, madam.
That's not school, yes, yeah, first 20. Who was your first 50?
Yes, madam.
Class now, what class I?
Class 6.
Now back first 50.
Yes, madam.
Young Cobra.
My name is Emmanuel Ama. I attend New Hope Preparatory School. I am in Basic 6. I am 12 years old. I am here to recite the first 50 elements. They are hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc, gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton, rubidium, strontium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium, molybdenum, technetium, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, cadmium, indium, tin. Thank you.
Well done. Why are there? You're awesome. Hey. Tiom, nidium, palladium, oh.
Yes,
Hubi.
Yes, ma'am.
And 50th one here, 10.
Yes, madam.
Why are there? Abusia New Hope Preparatory School for Nkola and Yegusua and Wamu Edi Juma. New Hope Preparatory School for Nkola and Yegusua ni Wamu Edi Juma. Na ofa ye drew see my favorite. I'm sad day. In my friend you and Ababe Jina menim hanum say. What the mami fa brabeni kasabame.
Midinde nana yaw amponsa. Because school New Hope Preparatory School.
Okay.
Me di infie edu. Me jina pen enum.
Okay.
Me bo bretu ebusia ayen akraboye osebo.
Ajo bra.
Me dinde ejen ankra. Me ko school New Hope Preparatory School. Me jina pen insia. Me di infie edu mienu. Me bo ebusia agona ebusia aya kraboane ako.
Na mo be den wa ha. Mo be den.
Ye jina ha. Ye betimi aka ebe.
Wo betumi aka ebe.
Pachan.
Wo be ka be.
Mbachan.
Bube.
Mbachan.
Na mo ya mienu yi. Ada na mo ya mienu yi.
Ye de bawe ye ho wa ha.
Ene me jina hey me be kire ankra se. Otiba me so me tibe o.
Me so me jina hey. Be kire me nua nana ya amponsan se. Ono so tiba me so me tibe o.
Mo fa shisha so.
Mo ma yan kwa amponsan.
Kata wani te.
Makata mani ate.
Ni den.
O me nua me hu hwi o.
Nim se bebi pa anka me fa masesa baba.
Me so me sa o.
Hwe tie ebe we on. De bia me nana ka se. Seni wo wonam no sa na woda.
Woni akokwada yempre ne dabre.
Akokro ya wuken ya ne baben onia ana ore abebesre.
Me na bi de bia na sama waka ne se. Oto boase papa aboantatie ba ana obehu ne nsono.
Ene onsu tie we ye. Kwasia kwantati anchen ne sua na nomo.
Sana wo kadia makwantati achen. Be mesisi o ma sana wa hiram.
Be makro ya no num edura enyo.
Sana wo kadia mate kusienya wusi obetwen so na no hu wi ne ha no.
Be makro ya na me sa kan ya. Ye tutua na etwere ne bo.
Kusie kro ya me sa kan ya yinso. Onya bike obetwen so ne na nru pedals.
Kusie kro ya wo kan ya onya fufu obedin so. Wadron koni bom.
O minia wakasem no. Oh. Me na bi de bia na sema waka ne se. Kwacha de fa ya diska na eto.
Eni etie we. Abana ye de bo tachi. Eno na ye de bo ba.
Oh. Usuti a. O so bo franso a. Usuti.
Bo fre kro ya. Ede ana bada se.
Bo fre kro ya ede na bada se dia. Tie sabe we koto wanko school so. Ubo huna waka creator.
Koto kro ya. Oni hunam tira wan prinwin.
Sana woka dia. Atitide penimo jadodo a. Ya di nsuo fra.
Atitide so a. Ode boko obedru.
What about Kobo Bedrudia? Oh, Minia, Wakasamuno. A drudia dia, and I a bre. A drudia one and swa, ya bre. Oh, Minia, Quacha dia Fabiema, yes, I discanato.
Oh, Minia, I say we are tumbra, what can that?
Oh, Makanda dia, made I was yo. Oh, why are the any? Minia fufu made so. Kusia sunya fufu bedin so wadro kwani bomo.
Oh, Minia, what's that tumbra be on Maka?
Hey, Minia, just out challenge me.
Ah, me challenge you, pa.
Oh, I know. Pone na we takrabwa. Ay.
Boko.
Tami.
Abatrabo.
En so fara. Anomam takra, se no mutubom.
Oh, anoman toa, obuada.
Ah, koton en wanu ma.
Anoman pa me kan, wo so aja kukuswa, de topai, na no pai.
Se twinine nim da ho a ye mbɔ nkyɛn.
Se dodo be da, ne framotuom.
Dondo be de waka asɛm no, ɛne etie we ye. Hwɛ. Se kwadu we de.
Kwadu de.
Kwadu de ti a me kwa fom kwate se bɔde akonsonkonso ma mebua ma ne mbede ma abɔ petekura me fa nwe ma ne ndɔ isra de abɛ ne na.
Sana wo kadia.
Wow.
Me na na bi su de bia na sama wo kan de se. Papa pam, o papa cha pam nya ma pam fra pam de ni ko pie ma ponten so.
So ya de pa. Ɛne tie we. Wow, fruit apa, ani ye pia on en fa ba nwo to.
Sadia. Akokrowa. Ba. Ene akokrowa bema, ete danda da mu bon komo dada.
Ene tie we ye. Okrama nim se ni baba wu ankoton ne de ne gido pe.
Oh, epeni for ready amasuma. Atupa poni nti na krama wan shadros.
Wow, twaso.
Akora bwanwa, no mba chihede
Sana wo kadia. Pancha die fa. Ye diskana to.
Aminua ase wo to mra dodo aren.
Oh. Me to mra. Minia wakasa mu no.
Oh,
Akure hu na dede. Akure hu na dede. Tinton. Ya nom sa ne ye fa adwen.
Oh, you're awesome. Yes, I'm of you. What do you see?
Bachai.
What do you see?
Bachai.
Yes, I'm my idea, pa. Rapid, you see your brother.
Me dende ejei anka.
Oh, class then now.
Insia.
Oh, jina pensia.
Jina pen insia.
Yo, bra, o swear.
Nana ya amponsa.
Jina pe ahe. Enum. Ana manu awo atete sano. Mombo sama.
Efise me ye agona ba this year.
Hey, ana where?
Me bretio. Ba.
Na bretio makrabwa mo kan say. Sak akrabwa na mo kan no. Eh di an.
Osebo.
Ana where?
Ako.
Ani asuna.
Agona.
Ani aguna.
Bachai.
Nti ako. Ani osebo na be hia ye.
Bachai.
Why na e che ne nyonko, why na di first?
Me pachao.
Ora we.
Bacha Davi.
Oh, yama sama.
Minjitu.
Yama sama. Why Abusi Yɛn Mma and Yɛn Daakye dwumadie and wasugusu awutie higher community 103.3 FM. Yɛne New Hope Preparatory School for Nkola and na edi yɛn dwumai. I'm afraid yade do. Eba ne poetry omde ama yɛn. Awe sama omde ama yɛn num tuni no so aba wode amema yɛn. Batia bi beka 54 African countries, their capitals, any Independence Day or kani rare kama, and here 027, and then there Ama Emmanuel Bama 50 elements. Minka Kramikai said the 50th element, there 10. Sa pepe. It's just a year, dear, growing years, sa the tear, and then what's a bar, Miss Mitty both one or so abba. It was a New Hope Preparatory School for or match and pa, so on my bing. Ya quiz ni beshisha so had ye besop one more adwin ahwe at the far abode munya sape ho science nkontabuo hu mathematics na afoforo bia keka ho brapeni ubaba odin e dia mami e fro say
Steven Otu
and what class ahe
6
sister
Christian Eni class 5
okay brapeni
Emmanuel Ama basic 6.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, madam.
This segment is for the brilliant, so are you guys sure you are sharks?
Yes, madam.
Say.
Yes, madam.
Okay, more sheets there.
Yes, madam.
Yeah, the spelling bee na so. Yeah, the spelling bee. Di kaya so. Your first word. Weather. Who is spelling weather for me? Who is spelling
weather? W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather.
That's correct. My second word. Sustainability. Who is spelling? Steven.
Sustainability.
Okay.
S-U-S-T-A-I-N-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Sustainability.
Wow. Moya dear pa. Yanko global.
Global. Global.
That's correct. Pollution. Okay.
P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N. Pollution.
That's correct. Okay. Yanko greenhouse.
Greenhouse.
Okay.
Greenhouse. Greenhouse.
That's correct. Occupation. Okay.
O-C-C-U-P-A-T-I-O-N. Occupation.
That's correct. Okay. Independence. Okay.
I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-C-E. Independence.
That's correct. Domination. Who is spelling? Steven Lenko.
Domination. D-O-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N. Domination.
That's correct. Okay. Emancipation. Okay.
E-M-A-N-C-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. Emancipation.
Correct. Okay. Subjugation. Who is spelling? Subjugation. Who is spelling? Who is trying?
Subjugation.
Okay.
S-U-B-J-U-C-A-T-I-O-N.
Subjugation. Yes, darling.
S-U-B-J-U-J-A-T-I-O-N. Subjugation.
That's correct. Wow. Hey, before back on kaho. What am they count here? Liberation. Okay.
L-I-B-E-R-A-T-I-O-N. Liberation.
Wow. I'm so impressed. Yeah, to us. You'll call mathematics. You'll call maths. Are you guys still ready?
Yes, madam.
Hey, DJ homework. DJ Sikamba. Yeah, to us. You have word problems and chassis. Okay. Tom has 15 pencils in his pencil case. He gives 3 to his friend. How many pencils does Tom have left? Tom has 15 pencils in his pencil case. He gives 3 to his friend. How many pencils does Tom have left? Yes, dear.
Please, madam, the answer is 12.
That's 12. That's correct. You're correct, pa. You're correct. Yeah, to us so. A group of friends want to share some candies equally. If they have 48 pieces of candies and there are 8 friends, how many pieces of candies will each friend get? Who is answering? Who is answering? They are having 48 pieces of candies and there are 8 in total. How many pieces of candies will each friend get? Yes, Stephen?
6 pieces of candies.
That's so correct. Okay, a water tank can hold 1,200 liters of water. If 300 liters of water is already in the tank, how much more water can be added? A water tank can hold 1,200 liters of water. If 300 liters of water is already in the tank, how much more water can be added? Who is answering? Who is answering? Yes, Stephen?
900 liters of water.
That's correct. Wow. And yeah, a library has 1,500 books on its shelves. If 300 books are fiction and the rest are non-fiction, how many non-fiction books are there? A library has 1,500 books on its shelf. If 300 books are fiction and the rest are non-fiction, you are telling me the number of non-fiction books in there. And I don't know what I'm saying. Who is answering? Yes, Emmanuel.
1,200.
That's correct. Wow. Okay. Yanko, still on the mathematics, still on maths. Yanko, wait. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 6 centimeters and width 4 centimeters? What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 6 centimeters and width 4 centimeters? My answer is, what is the perimeter of a rectangle with length? You are looking for the perimeter, which is the distance around the object, okay? Yes, Christiana?
20 centimeters.
Good, it's 20 centimeters. Yeah, Twaso. What is the area of a triangle with base 8 centimeters and height 6 centimeters? What is the area of a triangle? A triangle with base 8 centimeters and height 6 centimeters. As I say.
Please, madam, the answer is 48.
Debbie. Area of a triangle. Triangle na maker ni area. Area of a triangle. Triangle ni base 8 centimeters. And the height here 6. How do we find area of a triangle? Who can give me the formula? Why am I the formula no? Who is giving me the formula? Who is talking? Okay, we're finding area of a triangle. The formula is half of its base times height. Half base times height. That's the formula.
Please, madam, the answer will be 24 centimeters square.
That's correct. Why are they? Nemo me boamu kakra. Yan fa ba kon so wo hanums. Okay, yan clock so. A digital clock shows 6:43 a.m. A digital clock. What's a digital clock? So I about 6:43 a.m. What will be the time after 17 minutes? A digital clock. You see about 6:43 a.m. In the next 17 minutes, about what saying? Who is answering? About 6:43 a.m. In the next 17 minutes, time nobody saying. You see a.m. 6:43 a.m. So my answer is yes, Stephen.
7 o'clock a.m.
Good. Mobile mode. Yeah, to us so. A digital clock shows 4:09 a.m. What is the time in 32 minutes? What is the time in 32 minutes? About 4:09. So in 32 minutes, about what say? AM. Yes, Emmanuel, young call.
Madam, please, 4:41.
4:41 what?
AM.
Good. Mobile money. Yes, science, no kakra. Yes, science, no kakra. Endra. Ya bobo. In fact, Ghana, a bobo. Ghana, the country, ben a bobo no.
Chat.
Okay. Mo child the other so shey. Okay. Scores yes, e kosi say. Yes, Christiana.
50.
50 no mentias here.
Ghana 5, Chad 0.
Okay. Me say to aso. How the share first go? And at time then I need share first go no. Now boss saying how many minutes into the match? And I do share first go share. Why so na share your friend is saying
Semenyo.
What say?
Semenyo.
Uni ni dini na o. Uni ni dini na.
Aju semenyo.
Why? Atu.
No.
What's the why semenyo? Mon ka say why ya? Umadi.
Atu semenyo.
Atum. And time man say go no. First a him minute no dey say. Oh.
First minute. First half or second half.
Minutes na maker. Is it first 10 minutes, first 20 minutes, first a him minutes? Hey, say, first a him minutes.
First 2 minutes.
Okay, me to aso. Jordan, are you shall go? Ni go no, go bang sir.
Madam, please, it was penalty.
My idea, you must some more. Minjamo, Halim Senior Queen, Minjamo, Halim Senior Queen. Akonga. Never of ye. Yes, dear.
Chair.
And no cress a chair. And then I pay. Box cheating. Yes.
Adaka
and no cre. And then not Sophie, the bro of the day. Yes.
Shovel.
Hey. Aye. Crua. The bro of the day.
cap.
Fear, cheating day. Fear. Yes.
Osuro.
Slow. Fear. Say slow. Okay. Another and just a day. Munka binka way.
Like Nipani yam shishino.
I am sincere. Slow. Nini na ya no yenim. Bravery. The tree day. Yes.
Akukudro.
No cry akukudro. And me fa ba kon so e wa hanum say nimdie bro for ye yes.
Knowledge.
Yamba sama wo mo. You are doing so well. Yakoyenim. Aban walanche Blue Water Initiative. Oh my God, I'm hanum say. Aban lanche Blue Water Initiative. Samutie news pa. What is the Blue Water Initiative about? It's about the
to prevent galamsey.
Sir, benso.
Like protecting the mountains from those who are doing illegal mining and legal mining.
Is it only mountain?
The water bodies.
Okay. And there's Samunim Sadia. And they are now abaya training in Babru Makumakubi. Omoya do saying, omunko protect water bodies. No. Omoya do saying. Yes, bra. Metie.
Please, madam, 200.
There be 200. Yes, dear.
400.
I have 400. I buy in Target. I buy any swadi who so be training Crawford do saying.
400.
And you no correct. Yes, dear. Yes, bra.
Madam, 200.
800.
Debbie, me say more abokai say I buy training 400 people. But any swadi who no do so saying 400.
Please, madam, 4,000.
4,000, sister.
2,000.
2,000. 2,000. You must some. Okay. Yanko acronyms kakra. Who? WHO. Yes.
World Health Organization.
World Health Organization. And the EPA. Yes, Steven.
Environmental Protection Agency.
Agency. Okay. And the CEO. Yes, dear.
Chief Executive Officer.
Good. No, Steven, me will be Mamaka. GPS. Yes, dear.
Ghana Police Service.
Oh, Debbie.
GPS
address. GPS. Okay. Global Positioning System. ISP. And the IT acronym no. ISP. Me can ICT as I'm no okay. Munim. Okay. Internet Service Provider. Yeah, to us Minister of Finance currently. Yes, dear.
Honorable Dr. Kazel Atoforsen.
Kazel Atoforsen. Okay. And then I'm to us Minister for Health. You share your poem with the whole subs wall.
Honorable Kwabena Minta Akando.
Wow. Okay. Now before I also I had to say Attorney General and Minister for Justice. What's his name? Attorney General and Minister for Justice. Everybody say. Okay. Or the Dr. Dominic Akrutenga Matthias.
Yes, madam.
Okay. Yeah, name. Current IGP. Mampenia my IGP for. Everybody say. Yes, dear.
COP. Christian Tete.
Okay. Christian Tete Johunu. Okay. And then a former one is everyone says only current is who former one everyone say. Yes, darling.
Honorable.
Hey, Bako.
Dr. George Ekufu Dampare.
That's right. Honorable, you're brave. Yeah, to us so. Northeast region. The capital here. Northeast. Yes, Steven.
Nalarigu.
Good. And they are now Bunu East region.
Techiman.
Western North region. Western North. Yes, Christiana.
Serioso.
More pa. You guys are doing so well. Yanko science na fancy. Yanko science fancy. Make up first aid boss First aid boss. First aid boss. Boss as I'm minimum king. What is a first aid boss? Meet who is talking? Yes, dear.
First treatment of patient.
First aid boss. Yes, dear.
It's a box that people use to treat wounds before they go to hospital.
Is it only wounds? Yes,
pains, headaches, and more.
It's a box now they treating Crawford nana.
No. There are some materials in the box that we use to treat the patients.
Okay. It's a materials na kabichira me anything. Okay, and I didn't build. Paper 5.
Plaster.
Okay.
Blade.
Okay.
Scissors.
Okay.
Bandage.
Okay.
Cotton wool.
Mama ya dear. The habitat of plants that live in water is what? The habitat of plants that live in water.
Aquatic.
Okay, the SI unit of mass.
Kilograms.
Kilograms or
grams.
New Hope Preparatory School for no. Okay. Converting plant and animal waste into manure is what?
Composting.
Hey, Marvin. The combination of 2 or more cells is what? Yes, darling.
Tissue.
It's tissue. Hey, tissue. Oh, okay. Mamifa, last one be so hard. How is salt obtained from seawater? See a penchine fee. See a wow. Aha, ya kosen a punsua. Ya bedi ni nyanchie fi nyan. Who is talking?
Sir, please. Entry
o brofo. French ba. Tree ne brofo yanko.
Sir, ukosa nsuo na.
Give it to us.
Na odi agu container mu. Na odi asia wiem ama awia na boso.
Okay.
E boso a na we afrim.
About den so a.
Ebo nsuo ne so a.
Nsuo na wo container na dey say we.
Ebe liquid. It will evaporate.
Bra, she's here. Yanko, who is talking? Wow, Yanko Bill.
Osa nsuo na odi agu container mu.
Mo.
Uwia odi besi awiem.
Okay.
Odi si awiem na awia ne boswa. Na emu we no akosoro.
Emu dan.
Vapor no.
Steven, twaso, but who's on him? Twaso man.
Nsuo no ebe evaporate.
Na
akosoro. Ebe dani vapor na akosoro.
Okay.
Na aka engine no.
Okay.
So the obe and say ube hwe engine free bucket media gu bibia obe so yem.
Okay. Mama, my idea. It is our process, no. Your friend is solar evaporation and our salt harvesting. My last question was science. Muhammad say, "Mahu, your elbow way."
Yes, madam.
Elbow to your day. Abade. Ayo, and make the elbow. Your elbow. Oh. What we say? You to be. You to be the buy ni yes. I'm on Facebook. Mo share the ami. It to be the buy ni mu to me mo yes. But sunny again is saying to me found quiet chin sign and say it is again yenimi. Adendia. Unim. Okay, young quay.
Because the elbow it has a hinge joint.
Okay, so
it can only be in straight form, but you can't bring it backwards.
Okay, more information. I want more information. Convince me na me mama. Yes. Emmanuel okay be back at home. Christiana okay be back at home. Steven no the BB card okay no home. I must say it has a hinge joint, correct. And the hinge joint is the I want you to add more information to work for me. Now me who said then I can him. It has a hinge joint and continue talk. Now I hope they say Casa bra.
It has a hinge joint because it can be in one position.
Okay, all right. I am elbow no a hinge joint. Now I allow movement in only one plane, in only one direction, either flexion or extension. It will to me at the other when him aben me say, but to me straight me say. That's what to me. So now I was say no to me yen say which the and yes I would not pay no pepu. That's fine. My idea. Your monster mamo pa. Monster mamo. My idea. It's move up mudi you me naturally say. Ya to aso. Body mamia.
I am Stephen Otu.
Okay.
I am Christiana Enin.
Okay.
My name is Emmanuel Ama.
My idea. So yamon komo. What's your favorite subject, Stephen?
Science.
Yes. Where?
English.
Okay.
Science.
Also science.
Yes, madam.
Okay. My idea. It's here did you ready? See what Hanum say a quiz part no. Ye see twaso. And drama group so bad. And drama group so bad. Ebusia, Yɛn Mma, any and that you made ye. and I'm also a higher community 103.3 FM. A Rabna Kitchen and Bakery Services said, so we have birthday cakes, the Patroani. So we have birthday cakes, wedding cakes, open catering services for all your programs. No, Baba the friend was 0546-827-329. The Chakwain, Akyem da Bungalow, opposite Mama Esther Rental Honomo, and T. Shannon so Farmer Miss, open cake, and the cake is come and said, and she Ayana washing. So, yes, Ghana, they year bookshop. Yes, Ghana, they year bookshop. Not one exercise books, pa on one your company, my Ghana Muhanu Muse, one or the books na fan fidie mu ana aba out kama sa book ni mu ofe e kire so drain za wo fa mutie se motobus ama mo mofra ya na mako yes Ghana be ye bookshop na makoto e be ye note one exercise books ni bi if it's a kire den pa na wo chon so an sa no nya fe kra won sa no e be ye fe in penny 0249 029 796 and that's 0246 102 445 0246 102 Abusia Yɛn Mma and Yɛn Daakye dwumadi no wasuguso a wutie ye koso a and New Hope Preparatory School for nkola edi yen dwuma wo fa ye dru so drama omo be ye oye kire enti yentie wo mo yen kobra
me mama juo community FM etiefo me din de 702 because school wa New Hope Preparatory School yen oye tree a ye ba be yen ta twen din say nyonko boni say abrabopa nti monwen maso na muntie yen medam ase
yanko
Sister Charity and Brother Joseph, good evening. How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I'm good. I hope that your recent lesson is going on.
Yes, our lesson is going on, and you?
Mine is good.
Guys, it's break. We have to find something to fill our tummy.
I'm even thirsty, so let's go and take water and drink.
Okay, let's go.
And now is the name of a person, animal.
Hey, Abi. If you have been saying what Tambu Kusia de Yana,
Telejan or a John. And I'm more helmet as I send and country, and I'm country son. Means the most of my mass in English, and to me, I met Nasla, Makabi Boom Kakla.
I don't English in the mass near Bediadana.
Hey, Abi, I'm sure I be when you were from the door, oversaw a guy, my mamma, dear beyond. Unsuadi and put dress and sound. Who be check for that one. I don't want to tell me how to play.
Yabi, you know,
I'm a one o'clock.
You. And I'm young quite family, as I'm watching the Bible, and we go peb in here.
And I am quite.
Yanko.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How do you do?
How do you do, sir?
Where are Sammy, Bernard and Benedict?
Sir, the aggregator boys. They are not in class. I haven't seen them today.
Don't learn from them. They'll reap their own fruit during examination.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And we are alligator. Alligator since morning, I mean, who knew?
Hey, Yabi.
Alligator, no, alligator.
Boy, no. Oh, man, I'm a shamu.
I was saying, show I. Yadron say, who will be a fambo.
Sammy, I met a pen, I say, Papa, and 20 bins in a medium money.
Hey, Charlie, I do them soon. I'm more medium.
Oh, medium is here, so.
Sadie, my catcher said, but my car won't be penny at treasures and minimum. I tell you what, 1 week you could not friend that since a year, catching me, moon fire in my say again. Mr. Two boys, me the Bama.
And among we uncle pen, I think Papa and 20, my uncle, and your uncle.
Hi, girls, the result is Yes, we had it in the morning that they have wrote it on the notice board. Let's go and check. Yes, I passed my result. I got 4 8s.
Yes, I also passed mine.
Yes, I also passed mine.
Who Hooray! May glory be to our God.
Hey guys, I can't wait to tell my parents about this good news.
I'm going to inform my parents about this good news.
Me too, I'm going to inform my parents about this good news.
Guys, we will meet tomorrow.
Bye.
I'll be. And I will game my season's results now. Man, go check here.
Me kura some matches say I no pay the baby
And then we ain't check here. Ha! Who me a drop shop it. Hey, I spy her.
trope kura says who media press man so she
Media me who media no. With the 100 is
away. So what did I want to what do you
Hey, a trupio. Hey, do not shop rough. Hey, then Saturday not say we.
I didn't catch on some of my diminishing and the crime what in fail. Minyankopon. The bear crown and Makakuya, my failing years and Sakakui FFE. Erade, Tinomose a blabopa, and Tinomose now for bonus a blabopa. Oh, Erade. You say Edan exams for baby over Boam Medi first. Na me na wo femi ndi o machi biem awrade me so so beboa me da na baby a mekobia so so bo me ho ban na me na fufu e so om de om ho bebo ayifo na wo de mamfom blambo mu na awrade me so so de bia beboa me da na baby a mekobia bebo me ho ban me da mase. Community FM etiefo senia medi kankan yen no Onyonko boni se abrabopa. Se wo hwe senia ya obi koto ohaw mu efise odi ne nyonko fo ne tia. Inti mesre mi tu a school for se amamunti omo namfo omontwe mo ho free nyonko fa ho medamo ase.
So ya mo sama wo mo ma ya dia mo sama mo sama enti se metie mo ya kire ya mo ye ase a na patre se abrantie bi na nka onu de wo sua na ade e na afofo obo na imienu ebe tutubu na so se ma ni nsu ade na mo wa magic bi o mo ade bi ade a Ebetwa. Amu ade bi ata se wo fa ya na te se watumi atro ni ya paase. Ani se odi o machi nti onu su wansu ade ye try exam si bi na te se wa faili. Nti wedi na afofo bani achi. Ama na pass bi anka oba be pass na ye abono. Sasa na tie. Okay. Ebusi ya resource person ene asunaba kwajo numafo duku. Asunaba wote menka mema wo ajoma wakwa badi ba community FM jumedi so.
Miniaba Christine Major so mesan so Joso de ba kwekubisi obi man so na yakopon shabo pa ne waduma pa wo ye.
Okay. Me da se pass so waje pinye se when ye ebetwetwe nkomo e de afa mofre ye kira wo mo ye eno ho.
Gracias.
Okay. Me pa cho ba ye kire bia se na mdi kan no o matumi din ada anyonko bone ese obra pa. Aha, abrantie bi e na ache se wodi na fufu bone ye chi anu nti no wantumi ensua de enti ye exam so wie ye no na ache se wa fairly poto ada ya na fufu ne ka tere ne se omo be ma no magic mi na ache se eduru ha te se paper no bebubu paper de kra magic kura na ye de ma no omudu wo si result si de atrope che se amfa kra e na nkrofo na ana school for no omo de wo mentie na fufu bone na wo mu trans suade no e ba ye no ma pass kama asema da punsu yi if a cho we futu sem de my mofrey
yo medas bio na masachi atifo nyina em se eduma wo ye no efe na fitiase no menimu ana edidumadi na ni obekan ye African countries ne capital independence students on be science for you program no very very deep na nyamishiamo. It tells you say community radio no is about the community development and am focus so enye bibia na be no national but from the community level no na akwakupe mo national level na uhwe program na drama ya nkora ibe ya many jesem kese ne ye omu ages no how say perforce ya nchen nkora no kwampa no munya wamfa ho wampare ho enti sɛ nkra ne eswa sei na wo mahu drama bi sei no wo mu nua no mo tifie no so ehwe na saade we aha asai vision bebre asai vision ye hwan kwara mo vision asai a ewo anyankonyanko sema for all you know no kra no ebi kwa no ankasa mpo tena ase ena osua no wa ade bia two topics bia na subject me no bi kra mpo a anka enu mum na nka baba but anyanko bonding ese wo bra pa na ye ka de bi ni make me sure na me kai 2001 Tamana Kantanka concert was no Kings of Concert Party na was no yet na TV hu na ye sha at the end of the day no a futru wom na nyina yafa and I think say mo de sa concert party no na abba radio so this one no mo targeting kwara because ye ne kwara na ye ba begina be mpinfo e wo mai mo enti the mechanic say ade na mo tre akora nse onfa na be ma na twa no na ya na eseye eto de bia ya bra bomu no ye ni ankase wo plans bia ye execute e be yi e betina ma ya successful but for all you know na afutu bia asem bi onwonko bi ka kire wutu so okay e bia menuen wanyini si mi o e bia menuen owonanim si mi o na wakwa kutumi nka ase futu nyina na ebone nanso usha no oya abofra no obetu fu a aya afatu to say ase futu yi me ma me se me di djuma ebefo am ya na so ati ase ye mofra no ma me famra no mofra akwan so enkura bebre ye mofra no nketenkete at this age no eno mo position o modachi enti agoro na wo kwa akodi no busa ho say ma humia obebumia na the moment as asa ba wutimu no na wayi anu say ma hu say meye wo ya obebume e kire say wo ma meaning say ade na wo ye daakye be affect o enti at that particular moment no why you a mother to yourself and a father to yourself enti say no konika say yenko enti bible ka say bi wo say bone ho de yenna yenye nkwasiafo bone ho de yenye nkwasiafo so na yenenti wo papa ho enti se bia ade ye bone no so chale yenko twetwebio wo de ma yenka so wo yakwasia sebe o ngum se nkwara na mino mo kasa ma yenka so wo adimi chale ma yenko twa ade ya si game bi wa ho ma yenko bobio ya udi 50 pesos to mu a ubetimi adi bebro wase na bone ho nko ade mo nya nkwasiafo enti saa de we nkwade de ma yenya nkwasiafo de ya gimi menye eno na aya yesu sa no o ma ke de o ye don ni we kolo because you don't want to side with these ideas and you know ye bekas o ye kolo enti saa bone ho nkwade o ye kolo bone ho saa de no nkwade o de ye don saa edro na ono wanyankofo ne de bra o ne se ebeboa no ye don wo ho na de ko mane nko na no nso nko ba bi kuku a saji we no ye de yade akosi dudu ana say black magic nko aso but edu ba bi a ye religious belief no ye ma no transcend ewo ye academic performance the make can say ye gidia ye nya wo osum so no edu ba bi a na aba betra ye niema ye sua no so ana say aba betra ne wo se ye no so saa de we obi betimi akwaje pen ohu mean discourage you from the belief but obi kwa akwaje exams ne ma me akompabo the software man pen say the pen will come out ba no e ba ne sa na akona go to so nya beda pen so pen enchro hon konkro nya exams but audience wo besua bible say hon konkro ba ye o kai for obi kai wa e je say wasua biribi wa ka biribi a che na o kai wo enti ade na wasua no sa o ma me de pen no kra brother so usua de a eno na se honhum bi ana se adom bi wo me be kai wa e betime ya de aka wo but pen no de se book ra o katuma Yesu Kristo free soro metro so ati ase enti se hon konkro point me nya sa de wo ya e ba de se na was friends as the pentoa yes pentoa I want to happen to have it my idea way at the amawo. And to know idea when you idea a mood do na sɛ woka sɛ wotrɛtrɛ mu de akɔ a ɛba awofoɔ so ɛba asukuufoɔ so ɛba akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ so but ne nyinaa nso hyɛ aseɛ de firi yɛ ne mmɔfra yi so nti m'ani agye paa sɛ nkwadaa yi a ɔmo mfie te sɛ yie no ɔmo atumi ahunu na wɔn akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no so because kuku a akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ no wɔ more contact hours with friend saying mmɔfra no even than their parents because akwadaa kɔ school mu a sɛ bi a 8 hours na obedi a obefie abi a obefie pɛ ania ba ko bi na bi a nkɔmɔ mienu bi na ɔne ne papa na na ofo bedi dia aka ni na obeda obesa kɔ school mu ente akyerɛkyerɛfoɔ do hu nimdeɛ sei na so ɔmo de kyerɛkyerɛ nkwara no a I think say ɛbɛboa ma wɔn mu nua no mo di akyerɛ no nso no ebetumi akɔntinu nyankopɔn nhyɛ mo sɛ mo de saa program wɔ ya bana sɛ bi o ama mɛyɛ ade foforo bi a na sɛ bibi a Emma and Kraninya impact, but move focus on Korano. And Sanyama we say Ninano, and Rofi, one dear developing. And our Mabedu baby, one my diverting, one intelligence. And see, you who the attitudinal change now, and a bit me opposition your intellectual discourse, no, because attitude no. One position here and found also you Bill Gates in their barbershop team. Your attitude will take that Bill Gates idea from your mind. Until they met me, I can say topic of the drama no very good, and I think that it has a direct impact on our society and community.
That's a pa asunaba. Nemom abofra ba ko pese obisa wo question. Abofra ba ko pese obisa wo question. Bra wenim. Brother baby sa question no. Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, how if the person pretends to be like a good person to you? So, how will you know if the person is pretending or not?
And we think make us say, assembly be catch you biano at that particular moment, you know, you beat my own home mother, you beat your home father by asking yourself, say, sorry, me mami who said me yes, I did we ya. Nani bajiana obiaba wonchen as a young girl me fear me se boy bia menya ne de ne ho fe share ono so woni na dance bi wo ho obetimi de na ma o be mo sika de no abusa ho se asamo ka ne ye de pa wo be mo sika de ba busa ho se me ma me hu ya nani bajiana se me ma me che se mo boy a nani bajiana at that particular moment why your home mother and the father to yourself. But say when we say who says no because madam for ne pema sem pa o. Hwe say wa bra me ade bi say me fan hye book mfesu ade. But you ask yourself say me ma me hu be hu sa de ko no hye book mu a na ni bagia na ye mbofra no. This is the only way you bet me detect a bad friend. A bad friend will never come to you say e wa bufuo mu. Onyonko bone emfa bufuo ne won kasa. Onyonko bone anu de esen wo maame. Onyonko bone ho ye fe krampo sin wan kasa. Enti no Bible say obronsam ye no ho ehan bofo. Smart ya say obronsam na atimi ye no ho ehan bofo. Enti when I've seen an angel. Look at the angel. But obronsam no ye no ho han bofo. Na so ti asem o ka kire no. Obi a we no ho se han bofo no a kire say sa ade odi gu pepam na bobo de hwa do digato mu a fa wotrim a ubehu bibia o say han bofo but asem afiri na no ba no abusa ho say enti ma me hu say me de sa bibia gu pepam de ahyema no twe a na ni bati ana at that particular moment no you have made yourself a father and a mother.
Okay.
Enti until say wo ma me ebehu say bibone bi koso no ebia na to the extent that one person to control, then you open up and pay money in science and we can also be some say me mami humia or babumia na me papa hua or bekasa na say answer near there be an ask ania no afa everyone.
Okay, another question for you Asunaba sister Yanko.
Okay.
Pacho sama ufon su niska na minda fofo ba no mbeka twem se mendio mechina diombe ye bia menye bi na menye ska dia kotia mi school fees ne menyama ene so meyere.
Okay, the edi kan no wo ma me aka cho se school fees no ntua na
for some sika.
Aha. Enti ede na ona fofo ne say kona koye di omachi. Ebetimi aba say on because at your age na very difficult to say sabio on because bia ne emema nkwane nam. Ebi ebe den. But udu age ni empempen so bia sa office nyina na betimi da betimi aba. But enye no na obedi e kire say wo ma me say onisika. Busa ho say eye wo na wo tua wo school fees ana. Is it my responsibility as a child to pay my fees? No. Enti no so ma me kura ho say wo tua school fees a oba time bi wo mo bebo aba. Efia wa akura bone ehe na onye sika di tua school fees no akọ wie sika ho akọ wie sika enti busa ho say sai sika no unya o de ba be kire maame dabi o venture maame okay o de ba akọ tua ane o maame nso ni nso ontua school fees no but wa akọ tua efia adameka che o say minister kam de school fees no mama akọ tua o maame nso ni nso sika wo de ma wo kọ school no eya 5 cedis a enson enti bed ni so betimi atu susu akọ du sa amount of school fees no oba time bi wo mo be bo waba because enye wo said as abofrans to pay your school fees. It is your the responsibility of omame so obekwa ko hu akyerɛkyerɛfo na school mpanifo no na ono omo akasa ana so befa kwan bi so na waye adwuma no de atua school fees ne de amount. There's no way unya mfie edumotwe a ubi be sɛ keten empo no mo ko university no kra no obi a nsho mo kete so mo muntu agin omo ankasa mo hwe omo so wana do ho akotu school mu dia ene so unim okwan a obefa so a wodi betua wo school fees then so enyo na wodi ho kotu school mu dia adate na wo ku hu se wa wo betua school fees na sika no konya no wo he enti memma school fees emeye wo dagene 1 memma aduane a wo bedi at your age no emeye wo dagene se me kwa bra ko pema no aduane because o hye wa wo fo ase enti the moment a enya wa sade se wo tua school fees no usuku ni wa dance betro se yenkwa sa de we na benye sika ko tua school fees a ka che ne se ene me ne ma me kwa akodi hu nkomo me ma me ka se membra beba
okay one ne ma me be kwa akodi hu nkomo ne ma me ka se membra beba asna ba ye beda se ne wo mre ene wa futuo ne onyansa sama waka e de akere ye mofra yi ye da se pa ada o bibi ka yo in mofra so o bibi ka de kero ye kwai
so say bani say ye parents no omo ye irresponsible ye be den ehu kwan ye be fast with your fees no
an irresponsible parent minim say oma waduane dia an irresponsible parent meaning so su atare no wa na wo toya an irresponsible parent meaning say wa na do ho koto school mu a so wa na wo yes ade we nyina de a then quote and unquote e betimi a classify parents and say we are irresponsible. Okay. But the moment wo ma be eso wonsa ekotro wudini kwesi wu ko school no once the minister no once the faculty school wo ba ye no on da bontene o ma me abie puna ma ade asa kwesi bra beda o ma me irresponsible why ma o gare soakings ene nka tie se oni sika tibunji we na mundinda. It tells you say o ma me onye sika kakra bia that irresponsibility ne be free ho. A parent become an irresponsible parent when they ignore the basic responsibilities. 1, eduane ani babedi. 2, atari ani babeshe. 3, baby ani babeda. 4, suku ani babeko. Sa nyama we no oba time bia yi free na sedie mu a. Eno obi hia akora no pantia obusa ta wo maame we na watade atete sa. Na wo maame we na wo nko suku yi. Wo hu but the moment wo maame de wa koto suku mu no enka so ye irresponsible. Challenges na wo maame fam. Enyo na do ho koto suku mu. Okay. The moment wabe na wo maame atoton bode say en mi wo ko bitire jebonso no challenges na wo maame kum enye irresponsibilities. Wo maame irresponsible when o sorry anopa obi musa obi a wo ko school ba obi am found eska de beko school kro obi am found o sorry a o ma me ni baby a wo. But at the end of the day, at the end of the term, no man busa say what terminal report way. A mother asking for a terminal report doesn't mean say well you're irresponsible. Well you're a responsible mother or a responsible father. Just a financial difficulties. Because about time be abinya nanka ne wakwa kwesi ne ba osukum. About time be abinya nanka suku na ne ba ne kokora e ono akasa ne dia. But ensatia nya nyepe. Enu nti na about time bi wo hodoma oton pure water no de ahwe ne ba. Untimi nkasa maame ton pure water na akwesi maame de or ye aduma bank ntimi maame irresponsible. Difficulties no of. So akwesi maame drive ne ba suku mu. Now maame ma one city car ko suku mu a obi a responsible parent.
Okay.
Enti na kase akwesi suku bag ne ye fe. Me de no zip na say ntimi maame irresponsible. Ask yourself for say o maame baby a mo da no mpono kra eye ne dana enye ne de nanso no okunu hu bebre enam sene be ya on pesa da chu be so no ntino enti na ne one city anko do beto ko kwa no no say jefa ko is not an irresponsible mother. Enti the moment one kasa wonto aduane ma ho wontum frifie enkwane na monten to say enkwara bi omo na nkra monten amunim baby amoko omuni na ni aja omo na ebe from of what say irresponsible parent.
Okay.
And say obi at the salad any aduane kama ba school mu na o ma mema o 2 cities obi a responsible. What
right. Kato wate?
Yes.
Okay, Tubeka saying.
Okay, thank you for your advice.
Okay, asunaba ya bedase pa ya bedase wo bre ene wadaje ne wafutu a wode amaye nyame nhyirawo pa ya so
nyame hyirawo so da mase pa.
Okay, ebusia enti asunaba kwadwo numafu duku enende oya resource person for today. What the futu yi efi West Ham or the efutu yi West Ham nyame hyira ni bebre afi ye baby phone lines no awofo ebraso se mo frɛ bo mo mana baso mo so mafutu sama mo wono mo betumi de amaemmofrɛ yi sa pepepe ebusia ye number no 0551 68 3333 0551 68 3333 and I said 0551 69 2222 0551 69 2222. Eba cho otemenka yama
Yɛn Daakye.
Yo, mi ba cho din de sena ka se free hin.
Akyem me de Benedict Dogbe ante maba show we so da.
Okay.
I'm the representative Nixon war please.
Oh, okay.
Time so.
Sure. Yes, you sister.
Akyem about some play no mo ye na nkwala no ma ya de fa.
Okay.
Ana sa 10 na omo say omunko ye na exam ba ombe pass no. Eno wa sem na me beke. Akyem 10 no so me dey. Ana first of all akwala no osia de no. Bi o mate sanko osia de no ni. Ebi akase yo mate me de 10 no. Nti wakati wa mo dada omo ina no osia de. Nti omo exam time ne baba na o ma wi no dato.
Okay.
Nti no se me odi o machi no wanyu ni e kra so sanko ye smart one. But e honom no omo de na adwen ye no John. Nti no so beda na last boy.
Mate.
Ena anya se sanya se sanke ko no won se omo musia de ni na akoda top. Ena wo afet nka woni made pa no wabeda down. Nti sanko osia de pa na we so eji obia se won sia de.
Okay.
No na di mu be smart.
Mate.
No so too different for exams bi am.
Okay, yeah, that's a pa. Ebusia 0551 683333 and
for be senior. Name no senior na I'm friend say your resource person ne kano. Yen share nipa yen ombe nanti. Nyesa akire no omo de ba koto asemu. Na me bo new hope mpanifo so aba se omo tumi atete yema no to the extent they do radio so.
Okay.
Yankopon kamu nyina mo na onhira nyina.
Nyame nhira won so. Okay. Ebusia 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Me ba short me nka Yɛn Mma.
Hello.
Me pa cho Yɛn Mma obaji me so se ne Yɛn Daakye Yɛn Mma.
Yɛn Daakye.
Me pa cho din di se na ka se free he.
Pa cho me din di Sandra Eshen. Me ba ni charity obo.
Okay, me pa cho yetie wa.
Me bon kola na ba so pa de o maya no. Ami so me Sarah de say onko so amom hu ba no mu nsia de enko echire se ya.
Amen.
Me da master.
Yes, ya da se pa. Ebusia ati me nka Yɛn Mma.
Ani Yɛn Daakye.
Pa cho din di se na ka se free he.
Pa cho from Emmanuel Jesse.
Okay.
Me ba ni Theophilus na nkwala no me bo ma ba so ye pa. The only way no ama school fees etia no yam rentu Debbie modern ma clasia tie de nkwala no omo ye na daakye hu se nkwala no betimi akoma ni pa yo yes
yeah that's it pa ebusi atimi nka okay 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 ebusi Yɛn Mma.
Ani Yɛn Daakye.
Me pa cho din de se na ka se free.
Me din di Madam Hetty.
Me pa cho hu fi ka se fidie ne ho mame. Cho hu fi ka se fidie ne ho mame. Me pa cho so din de se.
Me pa cho Madam Hetty.
Yo, me pa cho meet you.
Me pa cho ele kola na mama mi age pa.
Okay.
O ma ye ade pa. We chese. Ye chiro mo ni na kola no omo fa.
Okay.
Na me boy na me mpa ye se. O mbe ko so a no ma ye kola papa.
Okay.
Ade e be chiro mo bia no omo ebusia. Na we eye futuo kese e de ma abofo bia.
Okay.
Se ukosu a fa wani nso enye ma bone so se no na be boa ama wati edun pempenso a opese wudu na emu ma de hia so besin kete no wa ye ohun so besin ade eno na du bedu achiri nti no me bo me mana ba so ma ya ade na me sure mo fa.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Ebusia 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Okay. Ebusia Yɛn Mma. Me pa cho me nka Yɛn Mma. Yo, me pa cho din di se na ka se free he.
Yo ko finya me ka se fra sane.
Yo. Mate, me pa cho ma one so kakra ma me na kasa ne yonko.
Mo pa sine tio first.
Oh, okay. Tio.
Na nkwala no bia ya de.
Yo.
Teacher for no so ya de. Mo so program no so ya de. Yeah, education services say. Omonya idisa na hoda na nkwa se de bia no nkwa na bet na school mu nkwa.
Sa pepe.
Yeah, education directors will be a program we no. Mama de no mo ko mu njim.
Okay.
Nkwa school nkwa.
Okay. Yo, yes, yeah, that's it. And to correct what you said, no, Rem Central Municipality Education Directorate, one endorse program ye, and private schools and public schools so kahubi. Ebusia, okay. Me pacha otemen ka Yɛn Mma. Okay, 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Ebusia Yɛn Mma.
Ani Yɛn Daakye.
Me pa cho di de se la ka se free he.
Me pa cho ya friend me Georgina Smith, me ka se free Akyem oda.
Me pa cho meet you.
Me pa cho nkole aya de pa. Especially nkole no me wo mu no.
Sa.
O ma no so for the dead. Akola twenke ni bi ya me de pa, de yo kind of work so akono nya mu bebre.
Nyami shira wonso. Okay. Okay. Ebusia 0551 683333 and that's 0551 692222. Ebusia tell me nka Yɛn Mma. Me ba cho Yɛn Mma. Yo, me ba cho din de se na ka se free he.
Am pa cho me din ni saka me ka se free all time.
Okay, me ba cho meet you wa.
I de nyame ase wa mo pa mo do no mafutu pa mo de maye ma no na se mo djuma nko so wa bi na bring na
amen
na mo tie ma da chom da bo mo bla
sa pepe jo yes ya da se pa okay ebusia ya ma okay 0551683333 and I say 0551692222 ebusia te menka ya ma
ani ya daakye
me pa cho din de sana ka se free
sisa se wa tuntumrem
yo mitie wa
ya dan kwala na se nyame ya de pa teacher fo so nyame ntra mu bebre
amen
me nyankopon bi kwala na de ni wa monte ase aniwa no muntumi ko wo manim sensa na enamfosam de omunyi namfosam mfiri wo mabla bo mu kura makola ba ko school a sabodin mini bi nti wo kon me kasa sabna enhwene obi di besu enhwene obi enyasa wo ko school mu wa won kan hu ko obi hu na emoma ni obi achi nkoni fie dasa madam funi ana mi classmate nti mi di na echi akoni fie e pa wo so the banner so yes tie mami wo wie school no o wo classmate for ni wo wie school fa so when who be fie we bisa kro no mu da so this so di wie school enti sankwala no nyankopon hu ya mobo na kasatra ono omuntie ya sam no matumi afo manimu abrabo mumbo nyamisra mu bebre
nyamisra wonso ya da se pa ebusi atimenka ya ma
hello
Pacho ya ma obaji mesese ne Yɛn Daakye
ma ne Yɛn Daakye
Pacho din de se na ka se free he
ya friend Mr. Brokwa me ka se free abo
me Pacho miti
nkwane hia abo nkwane hia
that's right
nkwala no ma ya de papa sene omusi tete nkwala me ba ko school ho
okay
na the way omusi tete nkwala no a manage better na de na hu say yes me back to school papa me encourage awfobia so fa ne ba mra ho
okay
na school minim so mo ya de better na de ma surprise pa
jo ya da se pa ebusia ya ma me pa cho me ka ya ma obaje me so se ene Yɛn Daakye ya ma
and I was to find a mission. I just have one a mission pa the man to philosophy and for learning now so ya the very moment the cousin na modern boy just have one I mean sure on song pa
na mi si shira won so ebusia 0551683333 and that's 0551692222 0551 683333 and that's 0551692222. Asamoah James said, "Wow, nice voice, keep it up." John Tay said, "Bravo, I love these kids." Obi said, "So if it is not students' responsibility to pay school fees, then why do they sack them to go home and then beat them?" It's your responsibility. Na ke ko bo awofo no mo na ye o masede. E no alo no beto was star boy. E no some bisa no e to asumu pa. Zoyo see the class 5 boy 1. Zoyo see the class. Eno ye chese wote ba me bu be no part no. Okay. Ebusi still na maybe a phone line is 0551683333 and that's 0551692222. Me go so me read the messages no ewo aha no mu say okay ebusi atimenka ya ma
hello
me pa cho hu fe okasa fidie no ho na one me ending komo ya ma
ani Yɛn Daakye
pa cho din de sana kasa fi
alaji kasa free SB junction
okay me pa cho yeti o alaji
nkwala no ne de enyumre o ma for price
papa bi
na yechia etisa for ne director na oyade oyade pa kaminya ya nanka school no waya na kakra boarding school ni enfa Yɛn Mma emba emergency theater ene ni pa sene be ya o ma de bo brother
sa pepe
maya de for no money da maya de ma ya da o ma
yes so ya da se